Well, hey, what's up, guys? So today I have here is the media mod for the GoPro 10. So I decided to upgrade to the media mod just because I will be receiving my LED light, and also I needed a better mic. You can hear yourself a little muffled, so I decided to upgrade to the media mod, and the media mod can hold different things. So let's get it open, put it into the GoPro, and see how it looks. You know, for being a GoPro subscriber, I did get a percentage off. So you can see here is weather resistant, direct mic, 3.5 mic port, HDMI output, and a USB-C port. Looks just like that, very nice. So it is compatible with the Hero 9. So you can see here, you could put that LCD on top, you could put the lights, you could put the light on top, so that's pretty cool. So turn your Hero 9 or your Hero 10 black into a production powerhouse. So it's supposed to be a way better mic. Let's get it open. Okay, inside you have a limited lifetime warranty, and you got your Media My user guide. Go through it before you use it. Okay. So it does come with one of those screws. Comes with mounts. You got your mic cover. And you have the case itself. Make sure there's nothing else. So the case itself, you can see that the mic is right here. You have the USB-C here. Very nice. Can't wait to use it. Okay. Get it open. That's open right there. Very nice. Most likely you have to take this cover off. That cover slides right off. Put it on, take it off. Get your camera. The reason why I took it off because your USB-C is right there. Slide it in. Goes in just like that. My screen protector is having a little issue. And most likely I can't use the screen protector. Oh, it went on. Alright, little issue with the screen protector. You can see that it picked up just a little bit right here. Probably gonna have to take it out sooner or later. And that's how it looks. So you put your mic clip right there, and that is it. Hopefully the sound quality becomes way better. Very nice. So you can, these are the shoes, so you can put the LED here or the LED here, or you could put your screen or your screen here. Very nice. Like it. All I gotta do is test it now. Oh, look at that. that is your, look at that, everything. Awesome. Got for your mic, for external mic, you got for HDMI. Awesome. Awesome case. Well, hopefully my light coming soon. And we can attach that too. Awesome.